Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some work on the newly established Hive. We're going to remove the box from the package that was installed in the Hive yesterday, and we're going to replace it with 5 different frames. The frames have both comb on them and some resources for them. It's going to rain heavy over the next several days. This will provide them with a food supply. Hopefully they'll release the queen and she can start laying eggs. Sunday, April 26th. It's going to start raining out in a little while. Let me grab my head net. The bees have been in the hive for a day now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the package and replace it with 4 frames I put together. These are the 4 frames I pulled together. This frame has some honey on it and some drone comb, which I thought was good. This frame is one that has a lot of bee bread in it on both sides. This is one, definitely want to give them this to help them out. This is a nice, pretty uniform empty comb. Couple queen cup on this one. I'll scrunch down. And this frame here, it has a lot of bee bread in it too, both sides. Aside. I'll get the telescope and cover off. See a bunch of bees on the inside of the inner cover. Nice. Some bees on here, some dead in the bottom, nothing major, nothing to write home about. Bumping going on. They drank the whole bag of sugar water. That's nice. 1-to-1 mix. The queen is attached to the side, the inside. That side of this frame right here in the queen cage, halfway down on the frame with this rubber band and facing up with the candy facing up. I can't see. I don't want to disturb them. I can't see if she's been released yet. A few dead bees in the bottom. No signs of any hive beetles, which is a plus. And now I'll just add these frames and get it closed back up. I'll put the drone comb closer to the middle here. Hopes that they'll move on that. This is the frame with a lot of the pollen on it. I'm going to put these towards the outside. I'll put all my number 18s on one side so that way I keep the orientation the same. If they interlock them a little bit in the comb pattern. Crush this queen cup here. Put this one in. That's a good frame there. And here's another frame with a lot of pollen in it, bee bread. And crush down 1 queen cup on here. That should be nice for them. So I've got it with 9 frames right now. This. Flatten this out and I'll get a little more out of it. I'll put the inner cover back on and then give them a few days. Leave this out in front of the hive. Come collect it later tonight when they're off of here. No signs of hive beetles, which is another good sign. In contrast to the first nuke that I picked up, which came with free hive beetles. Bring this box back in, stow it away. This is one of the double nuke for a double nuke hive. This is how I'll leave the hives for today. I'm gonna call this Queen Georgia because these bees came up from Georgia. Makes sense. I've got the 1-inch opening for them. Oh, sweet boy, the back sleepers. Right now I'm seeing the dandelions and don't know what kind of tree this is here, but this is flowering out. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments if they can identify it. Never realized dandelions closed up at night. There were a bunch of them I could see on the hillside here yesterday. Now it looks like they're all tucked up, puckered up. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe and please leave us comments below.